In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet without needing to grant permission manually. This process is incredibly useful for streamlining your meetings and making them run more smoothly. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by typing Google Meet into your search bar or by entering the URL directly if you have it saved. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. This step is crucial because it will allow you to access all the features we will be exploring today. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a series of small squares often referred to as the waffle icon. Give that icon a click. It's essentially your gateway to various Google apps, and you'll find it conveniently located at all times. After clicking the waffle icon, a menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll need to select the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is where you can discover and install a variety of extensions that enhance your browsing experience. It's a treasure trove of tools designed to help you work more efficiently. Now, at the top of this page, there will be a search bar. Type in auto-admit and hit enter. This search will yield a range of results, but we are looking for a specific extension called auto-admit for Google Meet. As you scroll through the options, keep an eye out for that name. Once you've located auto-admit for Google Meet, click on it. This will take you to the extensions page where you can learn more about its features and read reviews from other users. Take a moment to read through this information if you wish, but the most important detail is the button labeled Add to Chrome. Click that Add to Chrome button, and when prompted, confirm your choice to add the extension. It will quickly install, and once added, you'll see its icon appear next to your address bar in Chrome. This little tool is now ready to go. With this extension installed, it will automatically admit participants to your Google Meet sessions without you having to grant permission manually. This means no more clicking admit multiple times during your sessions, freeing you up to focus on the actual meeting. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to optimize your Google Meet experience. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more handy tutorials. Until next time, happy meeting.